I've got one of these things here. I've never tried it before. And this is an electric eraser. All right, let's give it a try, shall we? On this one, it's got a special little adapter there, though, which is for the finer erasers. I'll try leaving a reasonable amount out there like that. I've got some batteries in that now. You ready? Okay. I do like a gadget, I don't know about you. But you've got to keep your finger on this as well. Let's go for it. Here we go. Right. Well, this is weird. Oh, wow. I have to say, that is very, very, very impressive. But you have to use a license of touches, though. And that's going to wear fairly quickly, so you have to keep sharpening or just very lightly touch the paper with it. Just widen some of these lines now. And if there's too much again, you can just touch it back in again. Very easily. But it's the fact you've got to keep your finger on the button though, which might be a little bit awkward at times. Barely touching the paper though. I'll put a link down below for you for this so you can find it, okay? And they are available at a variety of, oops, that's a long hair, a variety of shopping channels on the market. So what do you think of something like this? Have you ever used something like this one? Let me know in the comments down below. Remember, this one's by Artme, but it's just something that's a little bit different. Now, in any areas where you think, a little bit too much there, just very lightly touch it back in again. This line's a little bit too wide, so I'm just thin it back down. So easy, isn't it? When you've got something like this, it does save a lot of work. It really does. That's too wide down there, so I'll touch that in with my pencil in a minute. It takes a little bit getting used to trying to control it. But I have to admit, I will be using this again, you know.